Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. So if you're the one who want to make your IG stories to look very much attractive or amazing, this video is right for you because in this video we're going to discuss the top 3 best apps that make your IG to look very similar like this. So stay with me until the end of this video. If you're new to the channel, in the channel there will be a lot of learnings, fun and entertainment. So just hit the subscribe button right now and tap the bell icon next to it. So if you're the content creator where you'll be sharing some codes to the platform, I think Unfold is the best app that make jobs pretty well. Because I personally use this app for a quite longer time. I have been using this for updating my social media updates on my Instagram handle. It is a pretty well because there is a lot of templates in it. So this is the right app that you want to try it for. So let's have a look at this app. So once you open the Unfold app, you'll be landed up here. So if you want to maintain a separate folders where you can have a collection of pics for Instagram platform separately or Facebook separately, just click on this symbol and you can mention those particular platform that you want to create a folder. So once you click on that, you'll be just clicking on this where you'll be able to see a lot of templates which are available. So if you're the content creator where you'll be just creating some codes over the image as background, you can select that particular templates. You can select your images from here, so you can write over the text. There is a lot of text templates also. There is a lot of styles also, which is very much amazing. So you can have all the text settings from here, so small letters or letter spacing or the line spacings. So once that is done, if you want to buy some templates, there is a pretty much templates available in different style. There is a digital way, there is a scrapbook. So there is a different types of templates. It is somewhat like a vintage type of templates. It's a pretty cool thing. If you want to buy the templates from online, there is a option for that also. So just click on the store button. There is a lot of templates which is pretty amazing size. So these are the templates which will be very much unique also, which makes your IG to look very much attractive and it actually draws the attention of the users. If you're a blogger where you'll be traveling to new places and you'll be posting those pictures on your IG, so you can be a blogger like travel blogger or a food blogger or a fashion or a photographer, I think Storyart is the best platform that you want to use for, because there is a lot of amazing templates and there is a video kind type of templates where you'll be just uploading and it will be making a video type of pictures for. I think that is the best app that you want to try it for. Additionally, they also have your highlight cover templates. If you want to make your Instagram highlights to look amazing, I think Storyart is the best app that you want to try it for. So let's have a look at this app. So if you're a blogger kind of creator, for example, if you're into a fashion or a travel or a photographer, this Storyart is the best app that always fits your needs. There is a unique type of templates in each niche. For example, if you're into fashion, you can go for this. If you're into a travel kind of something, you can go for this templates. So there is a vintage type of templates and these templates are very much unique. So I want to just add that this cron symbols are actually for premium customers, and there is a lot of pretty free templates also which you can go for it. For example, if this is menu, you can just click on the picture that you want. The templates are actually really good. So when you just export the overall picture, it looks pretty much amazing and makes your IG to look very much unique from others. So and there is also, as I mentioned, there is also a highlight covers which you can go for it. So there is a free templates for it. So these are the highlight covers that I mentioned. So then it is a pretty amazing templates. You want to share, you want to try it for. There is a lot of fields. For example, if you're into holiday vacation or something, if you want a filter kind of templates, or if there is also, you can just create some content type of templates where you can post your quotes, regular quotes for Instagram like that. If you're the content creator of that type, so you can go for this templates. It's pretty amazing tool actually. Yeah. So if you're the video type of content creator where you'll be just recording yourselves and share some contents to the platform, I think Mojo app is the best for you because there is a normal free templates as well. But what makes this app stand unique is the story templates, guys, because whenever the normal user is just scrolling through the stories, so whenever this template appears on the stories, I think this will actually draws the attention of the users, because what of the story templates that are present in Mojo app is pretty amazing. It will be very much engaging and draws the attention of the audience. I think you want to definitely try it for. So if you're the video type of content creator, this is the best app that makes your leverage, guys. So if you're the content creator who like record yourselves for the type of stories or what are the contents that you post on your social media platforms, so Mojo app is a best right fit for you, because there is a lot of specific niches that they have given for you. So if you're into fashion, you can go for it, or photography, you can go for it. So like something like travel blogger or something, so you can just click the particular template that you want, you can select the import the image. So it is a pretty amazing templates that they have, because since it is specific up to the niche, it makes the overall outlook to make pretty amazing thing, guys. So you can just change over the text that you want. So there is a lot of text symbol and a lot of settings that makes the overall image to look very much clean and perfect. So these are the 3 best apps I wish to suggest to you guys to make your IG angle to look very much attractive and pretty amazing. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and tap the bell icon next to it. Stay safe and stay healthy.